Hello everyone, hope you're well. Today we're going to make these fish cakes. Really nice and simple. Potato, a white fish, some parsley, onion, garlic. Really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Let me get hold of one of these. Break it open, you can see there. Really fabulous, really good. Okay, so let's get our fish sorted. So in here I've got some salt, I've got some bay leaf. If you want, you could put lemon in, you could put some cinnamon if you wanted, or garlic. I'm just going with these two. There's some cold water there, and I've got some dory fish. This is a frozen fish, just thawed it out. There's 3 fillets there in total. Now I'm doing this in water. If you want, you can do this in milk. Some people will cook this in milk, but I'm just gonna go just like that. So a little bit of salt, some bay, water, and the fish. We're gonna just put that on medium heat. We're not gonna boil it up. We don't wanna boil the life out of it, but we're gonna get it to boiling point and then get it on a nice gentle rolling boil just for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I've turned the heat off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fetch that out and discard the bay leaf. So on the right you can see the fish drained off, on the left you can see some mashed potato. There's about twice as much of potato as there is to fish. There's about there, I would say, 4 cups of potato. That potato, just got the potatoes, peeled them, put them into some cold water, a little bit of salt, boiled them till they're nice and soft, drained them off and mashed it. So large mixing bowl, you can see I've got the potato and the fish in there. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add black pepper. And I'm going to be quite generous with the black pepper. That's up to you. If you wanted, you could be putting something else in here, like a bit of paprika, rosemary or thyme or something like that. 2 eggs. Half a cup of breadcrumbs. Couple of tablespoons of chopped parsley. And I'm just going to grab a couple more things. Some onion, cut really small, about a tablespoon, not too much. And some chopped garlic, maybe about 2 or 3 teaspoons. Now, you can go in with your hand and give that a big mix, or you can put it in a food processor and get it mixed up to you. So I done mine by hand, just get in there and, you know, work it out. Now you need it to be this sort of consistency, so we can kind of roll it like that. If you find it too wet, you could add some more breadcrumbs in there, or even if you wanted, you could put some flour in there to get it to this consistency. All good, let's move on. So at the front here, I've got 3 that are ready and 3 that have been undusted with breadcrumbs. So what I've done is I just grabbed some, let me just grab it here, grabbed it there, I rolled it into a ball like so, and then I just made it into a kind of burger type patty. I mean, you can do them in small balls, much bigger, it's up to you. And then what I've done here is I've just dusted them with some breadcrumbs, get that sorted out, then we're ready for the cooker. So I've got some oil in there. Now you can shallow fry these, you can deep fry them, or you can kind of do what I'm doing, which is slightly in the middle. Let's just pick one up. We're going to put that in. The heat is on, but it's not on crazy. I want it to nice, just under medium. We don't want to kind of burn them. I'll be doing these 3 at a time. Now everything's cooked inside, so we're just trying to get a little bit of colour on them. So about 3 or 4 minutes on each side, I would imagine they're done. Now you don't want to be turning them over too much because they're still quite delicate things, but you can see we've got a beautiful colour on there. About another 3 or 4 minutes just there, then ready. Beautiful. So out they come. Going to put them onto some kitchen paper, and I'm just going to do those other 3. Now there's plenty more mixture left. Now what I do is I will form it into patties or balls, up to you, and then I freeze them, but I don't put the breadcrumbs on. You can freeze it and then take them out at your leisure. and cook a few. Let me get these done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Really, really simple and beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.